former Deputy Treasury Secretary and former Federal Reserve Governor Sarah Bloom Raskin, Jefferies Chief Market Strategist David Zervos, and former PIMCO Chief Economist Paul McCulley. All-star Fed panel. Welcome, everyone. Sarah, I'll give you the first word. Does this change anything as far as the next step the Fed is going to take toward tapering that extra stimulus?
No, I don't think it does. I think Chair Powell did really a very good job communicating that they are starting to think about a taper. He is not committing to it being the first step, and he got a question exactly to that point during the press conference. But he has indicated that this is going to be coming next. And he even tipped his hand a little bit in terms of what those discussions are looking like, whether the MBS will be pared back at the same time as the treasuries. So I think you can be quite certain that there is thought going into the taper. At the same time, this does not mean, and he has underscored this repeatedly, this does not mean that the first step is being telegraphed quite yet.
10-year yield is a little firmer. The dollar's weaker and stocks are going strong. NASDAQ was outperforming all day, David. It still is. It's now up near 1%. The Dow is down about 0.25%. What's the market takeaway?
I think it's dovish. I mean, the dollar's weaker. The stock market likes it. That's good for risk assets. 10 years, a little bit lower. I mean, all in all, I think it came out. This was telegraphed as a dovish meeting. We all thought they would, wind things back a little bit because of the Delta variant rise. So there was a risk that they would disappoint a dovish expectation, and they didn't. So I think the market reaction was decidedly on the more dovish side. Was it significant? It wasn't super significant, but it was a dovish reaction.
Hey, Paul McCulley, Scott Wapner. How long can the Fed afford to wait until the employment market gets to the point where Jay Powell's ready to actually start tapering? He seems willing to wait a long time.
I think he's going to be very, very patient, and I think that's the prudent thing to do. And the big thing he really wants to see is what the job market looks like once we get into the fall, post the supplemental unemployment insurance, and also the reopening of schools. He really wants to see a clean picture to the extent that you can get one in the fall. And then after that would be the likely time to move towards tapering. But the next big hurdle, and I think he did a really good job of explaining this, is seeing what the job market looks like in the fall, and particularly if labor force participation moves up.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.